Hi, my name is David Jones from Environment Centre Wales here at Bangor University. I'm the leader of a project which is looking at the amount of Covid-19 or the virus SARS-CoV-2 circulating in the population. And the way that we are doing that is working with Public Health Wales and Welsh Government to look at the levels of virus that is present in wastewater. So we shed the virus in faecal material, and we can use the monitoring of wastewater to understand how much virus is circulating in the whole community at the same time through just one sample. And it allows us to look for other viruses at the same time, which you can't do through standard testing, such as influenza and norovirus, other diseases that are of public health concern. And we've been doing this campaign monitoring campaign across Wales for the last 9 months, and we hope to carry on into the future. And the idea is that we'll provide Welsh Government and the health agencies with an early warning system for other diseases that might be emerging, and also capturing in a completely unbiased way the levels of disease circulating in the Welsh population and Welsh communities.